Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. There is a saying, you give a man a fish and you will feed him for a day. But if you teach a man to fish, you feed him for a lifetime. So in this video, I am going to show you how you can download absolutely any app on your Amazon Fire TV stick. So let's begin. So before we begin, I want to give out a quick disclaimer. I will teach you how you can download absolutely any app on your Amazon Fire TV stick. But whether the application will get installed and it will work as desired, it depends on the application itself. So with that out of the way, let us begin. So in order to download any application on your Amazon Fire TV stick, you will need a direct link. What is a direct link? A direct link is a link by clicking on which the download will automatically start. There will be no redirects and there will be no second pages on which you need to go to download the application. So to find out a direct link, let us first go to our computer or your mobile and open the browser. So in this case, I am going to show you how to download Thop TV directly to your Amazon Fire TV stick. So as you can see, this is my browser and I will go to the Thop TV website. So as you can see, the Thop TV website has opened and I will click on the download now button. As you can see, when I clicked on the download now button, a second website opens. So when that website opens, we can see a Thop TV APK download link. So when I click on it, the download of Thop TV APK starts. So this is the direct link that we need to put in our Amazon Fire TV stick for the download to start directly. So what you can do is you can right click on the link and copy link address. Now you can go to tinyurl.com. And you can type in the link that we just copied and click on make tiny URL. Okay, so as you can see, this is the tiny URL or the short URL for downloading Thop TV, which can be directly typed into our Fire TV stick and the download of the Thop TV APK will start. So you can click on copy to clipboard or you can directly highlight the whole link and click on copy. Now, in order to check whether our link is okay or not, what you can do is you can open another browser window and you can paste the link and press enter. So as you can see, as soon as I typed in the link and pressed enter, the Thop TV download has started and it has even completed. So what I mean to say is our link is now ready. So now what we can do is we can copy this link or note this link somewhere and then we can head on to our Amazon Fire TV stick and let us try to download Thop TV directly on our Amazon Fire TV stick. So as you can see, we are now on our Amazon Fire TV stick. Now all you have to do is go to downloader and open it. And in the URL field, you have to enter the URL that we just created on our computer or mobile. Once the link is typed, please ensure that you have typed the link correctly and then press on go. So as you can see, our Thop TV application has been downloaded, but with a small problem. If you see the extension of the file that has been downloaded, it is a .php file. But in order to install any application on our Amazon Fire TV stick, the extension should be a .apk file. So now what we have to do is we have to correct this extension. Right now if I try to open this, I will get an error message that no app found to handle this file. So now what we have to do is we have to exit downloader. Go to a file manager app which will help us rename that .php file to a .apk file. So in my case, I have downloaded a free app manager application on my Fire TV stick. I will open it. And I will go to the downloader folder. So this is the downloader folder. I will turn on mouse toggle and go into the downloader folder where we will find the .php file that we just downloaded. Now when I click on the three dots, I will get an option to rename the file. So I will click on rename. So now what we will do is we will now delete the .php and we will replace it with .apk. So now we have replaced .php with .apk, and now we will click on next and click on save. As soon as we renamed our file from .php to .apk, the Thought TV icon has started appearing. So now once again I will turn on my mouse toggle and I will click on the .apk file, and I will get a package installer notification that whether I want to install this application or not. So I'll click on install, and then I can install this application as usual. So I'll click on install, and as you can see, Thought TV has started installing. So this is how you can download absolutely any app on your Amazon Fire TV stick without anyone's help, including myself. Now I will summarize the whole process once again for your easy understanding. First of all, you need to have an application that you want to download and install on your Amazon Fire TV stick. The second step is to find out a direct link by clicking on which the application starts downloading on your computer or on your smartphone. The third step is to shorten this direct URL so that you don't have to type in a long URL on your Amazon Fire TV stick. That can be done by pasting that long URL into tiny URL and shortening it. For the fourth step, you have to take that tiny URL and type in the same URL in the downloader application on your Fire TV stick. For the fifth step, if you find that the application has been downloaded but the extension of that application is a .php file, then using a file manager app, you have to rename that application to a .apk file and then install it. Now I know that some of you might find this process a bit tedious, and for the same reason I tried to distribute all the applications via my file link. But if you are a person who wants to install an application that is not in my file link, you can try it out by yourself by following this method. So I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome tech videos. My name is Vaibhav, and I'll see you guys in my next video.